Ooh, that's so cute.
I'm not gonna get there, bud. We're gonna have to go 3 more times, plenty of photo ops. We're gonna work on getting rid of these training wheels someday.
Do you turn them on yourself?
Yes, I did. Looking good there, bud. How about my star? Thank you. You know what? This is not the reason why Troy is the star. Not only can Troy ride a bike on this table, he can actually ride a bike way up there on that high wire. I know I wouldn't want to be up there. And you know what, Troy? There's absolutely nothing I can do to help you out. All I can do is get your bike set up and then you are totally on your own. In fact, you're going to have to climb up. I promise I will hold it steady till you get to the top, though. And you see where it's at today. Are you ready? Come on over here. There we go. Okay. All the way up. And you have Troy. Good job. Now Troy has a very special way of taking a bow. Okay, Troy boy.